Hello pool owners, Ray here with First Time Pool Owners Group. And today's video is a little different. I kind of want to do a follow-up. As some of you guys may recall, I did an unboxing of Aiper Seagull 600 about a month ago. So I really wanted to get back on here today and show you guys, how this product has been performing for us over time. I gotta tell you, a month in, we're still super satisfied with the way this thing is performing, especially for the price point. I wanna say that you can pick up an Aiper Seagull 600 for less than $300, right? Which is pretty darn good considering all the other options that are out there in the pool cleaning space. For some of you guys that maybe did not see the previous unboxing video, we also have a Dolphin Eco, which is the entry-level Dolphin. We decided to purchase this a month or so ago simply to test it out, right? We were getting a lot of ads served to us via Facebook. There's been a lot of buzz in regards to Aiper's wireless robots online. So I really wanted to get a sense for what this thing actually was like in a real world environment. So here we are, just giving you a month update. Everything's been fine with the unit. We charge it after every single use. What I intend on doing today is a little different than the previous video, which was more focused on functionality and unboxing. Be sure to look for that video on our YouTube channel. But today we want to drop this thing in the water. It's been a couple days since we've cleaned our pool. And yes, we do have a lanai or a pool cage, as you guys can see here. So that itself does a good job at keeping debris out of our pool. However, it's been a couple days, if not maybe a week or so, since we've last ran this thing. So we want to run this thing again and show you guys its cleaning power, right? We want to really show you guys how well this thing does while in the water, but ultimately how much debris it picks up. So sit back, relax. We're gonna throw this thing in the water and we'll speak to you guys in a few minutes. So as you can see, there's a little filter here. Let's lift the filter. So as you can see, it does a really good job at picking up all the dirt. So what I usually do after this here is I grab the hose, I rinse this out, put this thing on the charger, and we are ready for the next cleaning cycle. So again, as you can see, the Seagull 600, for the price point, it does a really good job at picking up dirt and particles from your pool. Again, it is an entry-level pool cleaner, so don't expect this thing to climb walls or do anything crazy, follow any specific patterns. But if you're on a budget and you're looking for a good quality wireless pool cleaner, the Seagull 600 has proven itself now for about 2 months here to be very efficient and work very well. Thanks for watching.